Are you looking for a highly productive, high performance, high precision 3-axis milling machine? Well, what about the MCV 4600 from Dugard? Now, ease of access is a real positive on this machine. With it having such a low center of gravity and the gap between the door and the table means loading and unloading this machine is really simple and easy. With the use of roller type LM guideways, this gives excellent responsiveness and minimises the amount of noise generated during travels and greatly shortens non-cutting times. This 5-ton machine has a direct drive spindle which helps with vibration and thermal growth, giving you exceptional cutting parameters and performance. Now, some of the options you get on this machine as standard are chip conveyor, through-spindle coolant, but some of the added extras you can also have is tool laser probing. You can have a higher column for when you're doing that larger work or fixture plate work, and also a plug and play NC rotary table. This machine has a 36 meter rapid in X, a 36 meter rapid in Y, and a 30 meter rapid in Z, meaning it's no slow coach. This machine is very highly accurate, very highly productive, and has a place on any workshop floor.